Tozama gogo nomkhulu. Salwazi indoda lesugogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini noma emadoda. U-Auntie Usha. Today we are talking about building an empire. We all want beautiful homes, beautiful businesses, very good businesses, but we don't want to invest in the foundation of those buildings. We don't want to invest in the foundation of our businesses. We don't want to invest in the foundation of our education. Why is that? I love these bricks. These are dummy bricks from Coral Brick. I'm not advertising Coral Brick, by the way. But the reason I'm using the dummy bricks from Coral Brick is because they're one of the companies that really stood to the test of time, that really been there for ages and still producing nothing but the same quality, if not better. So because today we are talking about us building something for ourselves, whether we are building our education, whether we are building our businesses, or we are building our relationships, or building houses, your typical houses, everything goes with a strong, very strong foundation. 2 room, 1 room, 3 rooms, 4 rooms, 5 rooms, it has different foundations. Your business and my business, they have different foundations. Don't want to be like me, and I don't have to be like you, because of our foundations are not equal. Healers, as healers, we have different backgrounds and different foundations. It's about who trained you, who taught you, who introduced you to the relevant game, who introduced you to the best muti on the planet. We're building. It's all about building. I love this video. I think it's one of the videos that I'm going to cherish for the rest of my life. When we are building, as I've said, the foundations are not the same. They are not the same. Trust me, they are not the same. My relationship, it's weak compared to maybe your relationship. It's because the foundation of our relationships are not the same. There are people that started by being friends. There are people that started by just knowing each other, colleagues and everything. There are people that it was just love at first sight, and it was just there. One just saw the other one and just said, yeah, that one is mine. I claim this one. This one is mine. However, we need to ask ourselves, when we start these relationships, when we start these foundations, we need to ask ourselves, ukuthi, what is it that I want to achieve at the end of the day? I want a beautiful home, or you want a quality home? Have you noticed that we're all moving towards the aluminum door frames, window frames? They're beautiful. We're moving to frameless, scene frameless. They have frames, but they are called scene frameless windows, scene frameless. And we love them. We love them. But at the end of the day, let's look at the quality from our old traditional window frames. Which one is more stronger than the others? Which one? The old ones with the putty thing that you put the glass, the putty and everything. To get into that window, you need to break that window if the putty is very strong. If that putty, when you buy it, you mix it with relevant liquids for it so that it can be strong. So that whenever you want to enter or to remove that glass, you need to break it. But we are moving to aluminiums. I'm one of those. We are moving to aluminiums, But is the aluminium as strong as we require, or as strong as it's conducive for the safety of our homes? But today we're talking about empire. If we want to make it in life, we really need to invest in business. Sorry, we need to invest in foundations of what we want to achieve. Many of us, we want good muti. We want the best in the market. We want the muti. When we are sick, going to the doctor, we want a doctor that will prescribe nothing but the best medication. When you get to the pharmacy, you don't want a second option of whatever that the doctor has written there, unless you understand that at the end of the day, some of the medications are the same. But we also believe in brands, in specific brands when we buy things. That's why a toothpaste will be forever be a Colgate. That's why cold drinks will be forever be Coca-Cola's, because the foundation of brands, it's very deep. It is extremely deep. But we want to build houses, beautiful houses, but we never even invested in somebody to survey the soil. Is the soil that we are building on top of conducive? What you are building, you want to build a beautiful house, but you are building it in a wetland. It's a wetland. It's known to be a wetland. However, there are people that are specializing in building structures on a wetland, the same way as a bridge can be built in an ocean. But we don't want that. We want a shortcut. No, I've got my guys from Mozambique. Those guys, they build, my brother. Those guys, they can build anything and everything. You called up my friend, you called up my brother and everything. Bayafika boSpal. Spal, can you do this for me? Yebo bhuti, ngizakwenzela bhuti wami. Hayi ikho stress bhuti wami, ngiyayazi lento le. Hayi kade ephila ama-bridge amakhulu. Hayi ungakhathazeki bhuti wami, ngizayenzela mina. Then the brother builds a beautiful home. Then everybody says, wow, indlu yakhe, ooh, it's so beautiful. Yo, did you see those windows? They are frameless windows. Oh, they are so beautiful and everything. Five years down the line, cracks comes in. 15 years down the line, more cracks. Starting by the wall that you fence by the wall, it's falling. Where is my brother? It's nowhere to be found. Why? Because you were quick to build. Ay, brawami, yo, lo cheroko muhle mfowethu. Hayi mfowethu la ukhethile brawami. Hayi mona phansi. Yo, hayi muhle usisiza. Yo, muhle. Then you are taken. Boom, seniyashada. You're getting married with your sisters. You just knew her. You don't know her. You just met her. Because of the praises from the people who don't care about you, you now decide to get married. Because of the looks. Because of umpago. Upagile umuntu wakho. Muhle. Now you are taking a decision, which I'm getting married. Yo, you agreed to that guy with the six-pack. Oh, Chomam, if I can see myself sleeping on that chest. Oh, cologne. My friend. Oh, it's a guy to die for. Oh, the car he's driving, my friend. Yo, yazini loyana mangathi ufuna umntwana bona me nangu umntwana. You're telling your friends who wants nothing, who don't want to see you happy, who are actually happy for the fact yokuthi usuyabhayiza manje, because you are looking at the looks, not the foundation, not the background of individual. You are just being taken by the hips, by the looks. You are taken. You don't know anything about them. There are many things that we blame bad luck instead of blaming bad choices, bad decisions. But you want to build an empire. Who are you building that empire for? Yourself. How many of us are willing to invest in good muti, in good thing, in something solid, in something that will make your life be easier? But people, they want quick stuff. They want something that will benefit them now. They are living for now. They are thinking with their stomach instead of thinking with their brains. They are thinking with their egos instead of thinking with their brains. They want to be seen as relevant people. The car they're driving, the labels they're wearing, their place they're staying in. That's why most of the people, when they died, you remember that you realize rather, Oguchi, they were renting that place. That place is a bond. It was not paid off. But the cars that he drove, the house that, the furniture in the house that she bought and everything, compared to how much was supposed to go to the bond so that she quickly pays the house so that he makes sure Oguchi, everything is secured. It is secured. How many of us they're thinking to that level? But we want to be seen. When I see people coming here to say, then you realize, man, Uspisiso is here not for himself. He wants to prove a point to the friends that don't care about him. Usne is just a slave queen. She gets money everywhere, everyhow, and everything. She knows how to use her body. However, you are competing with somebody who has it easy for them to achieve what they want. When you need to use your last cent to build your empire. However, if you invest very well, if you hang around with people that are relevant, I'm telling you, you are going to ask for a builder to build you a house. Not for a spectator that is good in looking at other people's properties and say, that builder I would recommend to anyone. I want to find out who built that house so that I can recommend that person to everybody. And they don't know that house that you are seeing, it was built on which or what kind of soil or land. Then you go, my brother, uyafika, uyakwakhela uma brother. After my brother akwakhele the house. Yawa. My sister's son, mshana wami, is a builder. Went to school for it. But you forgot it, your niece, he doesn't have experience. He has never built a house before. You need somebody with experience because we always risk with our lives. We always risk with things that are very, very, very important. A relationship is very important. Education is very important. Starting a business is very important. Building a house is very important. My teacher, my biology teacher used to say to us, Ransedi, best things are free. But what are those best things? We didn't understand then. But that I was at Silelekela High in Orlando East, just next to Orlando Stadium. I'm boasting about that school because we had good teachers. It's just that in Jomutu no back in Jibegada. Best things are free, but we never understood what best things. To ask, that's the best thing. To research, that's the best thing. It's free. To find out, that's the best thing. What kind of a soil am I building this house? Is it conducive? Is it a good soil to build a double-story house? If I want to get married to this person, why don't I invest time to get to know this person better before I jump into conclusions, or what this person is a good person or not? I want to start this business. They say this business is booming, but how true is it? Where is the market for this business? Is this product? I want to sell bricks. I want to compete with Coral Bricks, but what is it that I can bring that Coral Brick doesn't have? If Coral Brick can make such a tiny brick, the same way they will build your normal brick, temperature, everything, the same way. Am I at par with them, with my competitor? What are the loopholes of that business and that business that I'll be competing with? What changes will I bring in that market space? I want to compete with that person and everything. That industry is dangerous or is toxic and everything. Am I strong enough? Do I have the relevant motive for me to compete with those people? Am I at par with such people? I don't know. You decide. But remember, whatever motive that you're using, make sure that motive is going to build you up. When I mix my motive, I make sure my mixture adds value on whatever that you have already done before from other person, from another healer, not to destroy it, but to destroy anything that was bad which was done to you. But you must ask yourself, ukuthi, did I really use the stuff according to the instructions? We want to build a financial empires for ourselves, but how many of us are consistent in making sure ukuthi, they said I must abstain, they said I must not eat this, they said I must not say this, they said I must use this, and whatever that you are told by your pastor, your healer, your sangoma, whatever, are you doing that now? 100 and nothing but 100%. Or you are just rushing for your business too? How many businesses do you know that used to have long queues just to buy fat cakes? And today, if they sold 5 fat cakes, it's done. It's either the owner have done everything to T, that's why the queue was in. Then they've lost focus. Then they've hired wrong people that brought them down. Then they got another competition that came with something that is not around. I've always said to you, look at the places, some of the places, not all, how filthy they are, and they're selling food. But who are the people that are buying there? Suit, decent people, beautiful ladies, handsome guys, very clean individuals. You'll never find somebody whom you don't understand going and buying there. Why is that? They are following the protocol, terms and conditions of whatever that they are using. But we are failing to do that. That's why we find ourselves attracting wrong people, wrong friends, wrong companies that we hang around with. You want to be a CEO of an audit company. You want to own. You want to be in the taxi industry space, but you are hanging around with people who are selling something else that is totally nothing to do with this. You don't hang around with people who are in the industry that will talk in front of you. Sometimes other industries you don't have to ask; they will talk about it. then you'll know the ins and out of the industry. I normally hear people say, I want to buy a 7-seater. A 7-seater, apparently, it can give me 2,500 to 3,000 rand per week. And the driver will take it and everything. And then I don't have to stress about it. The car will pay itself, and then I'll be able to do this and this and that and that. But you have never even, you don't even have a driver's license for that matter. You're still going to look for driver's license so that you can qualify to get a car, or you do have a driver's license. You have never been in a taxi business. You don't know what is happening in the taxi business. You started the taxi business for the mere fact that you have money you can afford to buy, or you can qualify to buy a taxi. What investment have you made? What investment have you made when in you achieving what you want to achieve in whatever? We always want the best partners, loyal partners. Are you loyal when? Are you good? Are you a good partner when? Those are the questions we need to ask ourselves. As I've said, we want the best motive, but we don't want to pay. We don't want to pay. Gogo, can you please help me with Iscopo or whatever? When things are fine, I will then pay you. Hey. Hi, is that Kenya Airways? Yes. I want to fly to India via Kenya or via Dubai, but I don't have money. I will pay you when I come back and I use the moti. I gave it to my clients, and when they pay me, I'll then pay you. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I wish. Get to the hotel. Hi, my name is Goko Batinimbata. I'm very famous in South Africa. I'm a traditional healer. I want to sleep. I want to be here for 2 weeks. I came to whatever village for Muti, and I'll go back to South Africa, and then I'll come back and I'll pay. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Mr. Mohammed, I'm here. Kunjani khulu? Siyaphila. Man, Mohammed, yeah, I'm back, man. South Africa, you know the currency, man, the economy, man. Better, and they want to raise tax as well. Yeah, things are tough. Give me the stuff, man. I'll come back and pay as soon as they pay me. I wish I could do that, and definitely trust me, I will give things for free, or any other healer would do things for free. That is why other people, the healer will say, yeah, no, I can give you. Boom, here is it. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's not going to assist you. But we don't want to listen. Thokozani. Don't forget to make an appointment for gambling and soccer bets consultation. Let's do this. I kept the medication for the whole year, brewing it.